Elixir has only been around for the past 4 years, having been created in 2012 as a research and development project at Plataformatic. Jose Valim created Elixir to make Erlang more usable without sacrificing optimization. The Phoenix Web Framework has made Elixir an attractive option for many web developers, and popularity is still increasing. Elixir is a functional programming language that makes excellent use of concurrency, the Open Telecom platform, pattern matching, powerful macros, and its productivity-boosting pipe syntax. Altogether, Elixir allows for Lisp-like programming while providing access to one of the fastest web frameworks. Cond is similar to a switch statement from other programming languages. However, it uses pattern matching to decide which segment of code to move to. Maps are data structures that pair keys and values, allowing easy access to the values throughout your code. All of the models for our blog store their data as maps. Atoms, a construct very similar to enums or symbols, allow for references to be given informative names, making your code much more readable. They allow for extremely fast comparisons, as well as never needing to worry about them being garbage collected. EEX is a templating library that allows us to run Elixir inside of HTML files, allowing the front end of our website to more smoothly communicate with the back end. An additional note of interest is that in Elixir, strings are implemented as linked lists, allowing for them to be concatenated much more efficiently than they might be in other programming languages, a feature which is extremely useful for web development. The login page has 2 text boxes that take in a username and a password, taking you to the blog on a successful login. Although a simple concept in web development, it was an important step for us to begin developing our project. The majority of our work was done surrounding creating posts and making sure that there was enough persistent information for the post to be useful as well as filterable. Additionally, we implemented the ability for posts to be edited, deleted, and commented upon. Throughout the code, con serves as the primary means of getting information and program flow from one section to the next. Information and parameters are piped into con, where they are directed to the next action that the program takes. Elixir was simple enough to pick up, having been spending time learning Haskell, with enough differences to make it interesting. Piping, although slightly unintuitive at first, allowed for a great deal of flexibility while interacting with the various parts of our code. The Phoenix Webwork, a large and daunting resource to dive into, eventually made otherwise difficult tasks trivial.